Welcome to another Yoga with Beka. Today we're going to be focusing on the root chakra and just basic restoration. I'm recovering from a shoulder sprain, so today is just going to be an easy, light, restorative yoga session. Start out on your mat with your pointer finger lightly coming to meet your thumb in a meditative pose, with your back straight, and just focus on your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. When it suits you, let's start out warming up our shoulders by doing some backwards shoulder rolls. Just light and gentle, rolling the shoulders as they just makes us feel good on our breath inhalations and exhalations. When ready, reverse and roll the shoulders forward instead of backwards on your breath in and breath out. Get into a tabletop position and let's do some cat-cows. Breathing in and then pushing into your cat position, breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. When ready, widen your knees to the edge of the mat and sit back and transfer your weight back onto your feet and get into a child's pose, resting your forehead on your mat. Breathing in and breathing out. Lift up back into your tabletop position and then put your right foot in between your hands. Lift your arms up into a lizard lunge, back to heart center. Rest your right arm on your knee and reach back for your foot if you can. My muscles are kind of tight, so I'm having trouble, but I'm definitely going to still keep trying to make a connection between my hand and my heel and to enjoy the stretch. Now shift your weight backwards into a half split. You can generously bend your knee if you'd like. Point your toes up to the ceiling. Rock forward. Put your leg back to meet the other. And now switch and do the other side, pulling your left leg up in between your hands into a lizard type lunge, arms up to the sky. Pull it down into a prayer pose at your heart center. Then let your arm rest on your supporting knee. Reach back and grab that foot behind you as it's comfortable. If you haven't done yoga for a few days like myself and you're a little tight, just do what your body allows you to. There's no worries. We're just softly going through this practice today. Shift your weight in your hips backwards and do your half split. Toes pointed up to the sky. And you can generously bend your leg if you need to. Swing your leg back to meet the other, and then let's transition into our first downward facing dog. Walk your feet up to meet your hands as wide as the mat. And lower your hips down. Put your elbows on the knees, on the outside of the knees, and kind of push those knees wider open. And just meditate and marinate in this deep squat. Your feet should be flat on the ground. Lift up and straighten your legs. Forward fold. Just enjoy the breathing in and the breathing out. Sway gently side to side if that feels good. Slowly rise up. Get into your runner's lunge. And then transition into warrior. Now reach way above your head, resting that opposite arm on the top of your thigh. Then slowly lower it to the ground into an extended triangle pose. Go back into your runner's lunge, forward fold. Breathing in and breathing out. Stand up tall in mountain pose. Then put the opposite leg behind you into a runner's lunge. Turn your heel around and transfer into your warrior pose. Rest the elbow on your supporting knee and reach high and well over above, getting in a great stretch. Lower your hand to the ground by your foot into an extended triangle pose. Both hands down to the ground. Go back into runner's lunge. And then let's transfer into your downward facing dog. Transfer into tabletop, then back into child's pose again. Resting your head on the mat. I like to gently massage my head to the left and right, getting a good massage in my forehead and temples, relieving any tension, any pressure that I might have accumulated. Lean forward, transfer into just laying down with your arms at your side. Now lift up your chest, your legs, with all the pressure on your pelvis balancing on the mat in locust pose. And exhale, letting go and retreating down to the mat. Breathing in and out. Breathe in and lift up again. Catch a wave and grab those feet behind you. Grab onto your ankles, lifting, lifting, lifting. And now exhale and release down on the mat. Pull yourself up and push your energy back to the back through your hips. And stay in child's pose, resting. Get into a seated position. Then put your legs out in front of you and let's do a forward fold bend in a seated position. And just try to focus on getting your chest to meet the top of your thighs. Or pretend like there's something you dropped in between your legs by your ankles and you need to look up and over to see what it is. Kind of deepening that stretch. Just breathing softly in and out. Relaxing into the stretch. Now let's lay down on our backs. We're going to do some bridge poses. Walk your heels backwards until they meet your fingertips. Tilt your pelvis upwards to make sure that there is a solid connection between your lower back and the mat. When ready, pull up, up, up into a bridge pose, and then push your knees to meet together in the middle. Now exhale and release. Breathing in deeply and out. Put your feet on the outer edges of the mat. Put one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, and breathe deeply in. And exhale deeply out. When ready, tilt your pelvis up. And then reach for the ceiling in another bridge pose. Let your knees meet together in the middle. Breathing in and breathing out. Exhale and lower down. Squeeze your knees into your chest, giving yourself a hug. Rock slowly side to side, giving yourself a nice back massage. Hug your right knee into your chest, extending your left. Point and flex your toes and your foot, exploring the space. stretching your feet out. Now pull that leg over to the opposite side into a twist. Extend your right arm out, but then bend it at an angle in a cactus pose. This will give you an extra stretch that you're going to feel. Breathing in and breathing out. Back to center. Hug both knees into your chest, giving yourself a great, loving hug. Now extend your right leg out, hugging your left leg into your chest. Maybe flex and point your feet. Do some ankle rotations. Breathing in lots of love in and breathing out. Pull that knee over to the opposite side, giving yourself a full body twist. Extend your left arm out, but then angle it in a cactus position for that extra benefit of stretch. Breathing slowly in and breathing slowly out. Now back to center. Put both knees into your chest. Squeeze yourself into a little ball and then release. Arms out, legs out. And now just take time to restore yourself with some root chakra mantras. Breathing deeply in and out. Think to yourself, I am safe. All is well and I am safe. I have everything I need. I am grounded and secure. I am loved and I am safe. I have everything I need. All is well and I am safe. I am grounded and secure. I am loved and safe. I am provided for. I have everything I need. All is well and I am safe. Breathing in and breathing out. I am grounded and I am secure. I am safe. I am loved. I have everything I need. Breathe in and breathe out. When you feel ready, you can roll over onto your side using your arms to support you, and gently sit yourself up into a seated position. Go very slowly as the energy shifts around you. Breathing in and breathing out. Slowly come back into your body. Noticing the energy difference that surrounds you. Touch your fingertip to the tip of your thumb, breathing in and breathing out. Thank you so much for joining me in this light yoga practice and meditation to reset our root chakra. I hope you have peace and happiness throughout the rest of your day. Don't forget to slow down and come into your body. Renew your mind and your body and your spirit. Arms above head, wiggle your fingers. Hands at heart center. Have a beautiful day.